जय माँ भारती। समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की, भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की। आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMS समाचार चैनल from the international world. Jordan is an Arab country in Western Asia on the east bank of the Jordan River. Jordan is bordered by Saudi Arabia to the south and the east, Iraq to the northeast, Syria to the north, and Israel to the Palestine to the west. The Dead Sea is located along with its western border, and the boundary country has a 26-kilometer coastline on the Red Sea in its extreme southwest. The Republic of India and the Hashemite Kingdom of Jordan signed their first bilateral agreement for cooperation and friendly relations in 1947. China-Jordan relations refers to the foreign relations of Jordan have consistently followed a pro-Western foreign policy, and traditionally Jordan has had close relations with the United States and the United Kingdoms. China has an embassy in Amman, and Jordan has an embassy in Beijing. China companies in India are looking for option to go to Volkswagen due to security clearance. Education Maharashtra Board HSC 10th result will be released today. Sacrament's pilgrim priest prohibit the sighting of Gangotri Dham till 15th August. Environment. The Varuna River is a minor tributary of the Ganges River in Uttar Pradesh, India. It originates of Phulpur in the Allahabad district and merges into the Ganges near Sarai Mohana in the Varanasi district. The 6-kilometer stretch between Sarai Mohana and Sadar in the Pratapgarh district is prone to flooding. The name Varanasi is originated from the name of two rivers, Varanasi and Ashi. Invention. Stainless steel is a family of iron-based alloys that contains a minimum of approximately 11% chromium, a composition that prevents the iron from rusting as well as providing heat-resistant properties. Different types of stainless steel includes the elements carbon, nitrogen, aluminum, silicon, sulfur, titanium, nickel, copper, selenium, niobium, and molybdenum. Specific types of stainless steels are often designated by 3 digits of number 304. Stainless. Great person. Jahangir Ratanji Dada Bhoy Tata was born on. Jamshedji Nusarwanji Tata was born on 3rd March 1839, 19th May 1904. He was an Indian pioneer industrialist who founded the Tata Group, India's biggest conglomerate company. He founded that would later become the Tata Group of companies. Tata is regarded as the legendary father of Indian industry. He was so influential in the world of industry that Jawaharlal Nehru referred to Tata as a one-man planning commission. Tata, who in early life was a merchant who wanted to change the business world of China, India through his many ventures with the cotton and pig iron industry, and is known as one of the major, most important builders of the modern Indian economy. Sikkim. The Lepchas are considered to be the earliest inhabitants of Sikkim. However, Limbus and Magras also lived in the inaccessible parts of the west-south districts as early as Lepchas perhaps lived in the east and north district. The Buddhist and Padma Shamba, also known as Guru Rinpoche, is said to have passed through the land in the 8th century. The Guru is reported to have blessed the land, introduced Buddhism, and foretold the era of monarchy that would arrive in Sikkim centuries. According to the legend, Khaya Bhushma, the 14th century prince from the Minyak house in Kham, western Tibet, received a divine revelation instructing him to travel south to seek his fortunes. A 5th generation descendant of Khaya Bhushma, Puthansh Namgyal, became the founder of Sikkim's monarchy in 1642 when he was constructed as the first royal or priest king or Sikkim of the by 3 venerated lambs at Yukchum. Crops. Chenopodium album is a fast-growing biennial plant in the genus Chenopodium. Though cultivated in some regions, the plant is elsewhere considered a weed. Common names include lamb's quarter, mild goosefoot, manure with wild spinach, and fat hen. Though the latter two are also applied to other species of the genus Chenopodium, for which reason it is often distinguished as white goosefoot. Chenopodium album is extensively cultivated and consumed in northern India's food crop known as bathua. Fruits. Pitaya fruit, commonly known as dragon fruit, is a fruit from Central America, South America, and Asia. It has a light sweet taste and intensive shape and color, and has a texture between that of two kiwi and an apple. In addition to being tasty and refreshing, it contains a lot of water and other important minerals with very nutritional ingredients. Flowers. Rhizocephalus retusa is an orchid belonging to the Vanda lines. The inflorescence is a pendant raceme consisting of more than 100 pink spotted white flowers. The plant has a short, stout, creeping stem carrying up to 12 curved, fleshy, deeply channeled, keeled to retuous apically leaves and blooms on an axillary pendant to 60 cm long, racemose, densely flowered cylindrical inflorescence that occurs in the winter and early spring. It is famous for its use as an hair ornament worn by Assamese women during folk dance Bihu on the set of spring. Yog, Bakashan, the similar concussion are balancing asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga. In all variation, these are arm balancing poses in which hands are planted on the floor, since rest upon upper arms and feet. Left of the poses are often consumed, but traditionally Kakasana has arms where Bakashan has the arm state. The health benefits of Bakashan: tunes the abdominal wall, strengthens arm, opens the groin, strengthens and stretch the back. Universe. Hamada is a type of desert landscape consisting of high, largely barren, hard, rocky plateaus where most of the sand has been removed by deflation. Mathematics. The arithmetic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division help us solve mathematical problems. Algebra deals with these concepts and can be considered as generalized arithmetic. A variable is an important concept of algebra. It can be object or a letter that represents a number of things. Ayurveda. Nutmeg is the seed or ground spice of several species of the genus Myristica. Myristica fragrans is a dark-lived evergreen tree cultivated for true species derived from its fruit, nutmeg from its seeds, and mash from the seed covering. It is also a commercial source of an essential oil and nutmeg butter. From Prima Lok Mission School, the writing competition Bhasa Sikho Brahmand Jeeto. The results came in Hindi. Class 1st Archana, Class 2nd Abhishek, and 4th standard Samyak, 5th standard Nutan, 6th standard Vibhuti, 7th Vaishnavi in English, 10th Satyam Anupriya, and 9th Anushka Sudhanshu, 8th Ansli Dubey, 7th Aprasita, 6th Vibhuti, 5th Ragini, 4th Satvik Ved Prakash, 5th Sudhanshu. In English, Hindi, and Sanskrit, three languages, won Vibhuti, and he got Bal Lake Samrat achieve. Village town. Aurangabad is a city in Aurangabad district, Bihar, India. It is the district center of governance and has a population of 1,02,244 as of 2011. The people of this region speak Magahi and Hindi. Today's event: International Tiger Day. 1899, the first Hague Convention is signed. In 1914, the Cape Cod Canal opened. 1957, the International Atomic Energy Agency is established. 1959, first United States Congress election in Hawaii as State of the Union. 12 states and Bihar 12, district is in flood. Today's temperature in Patna 29 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 34 degrees Celsius. The Ghadar movement was an early 20th century international political movement founded by expatriate Indians to overthrow British rule in India. The early membership was composed mostly of Punjabi Indians who lived and worked on the west coast of the United States and Canada, but the movement later spread to India and Indian diasporic communities around the world. The official founding has been dated to a 1913 meeting in Austria origin with the Ghadar headquarters and Hindustan Ghadar newspaper based in San Francisco, California. Following the outbreak of World War I in 1914, some Ghadar party members returned to the Punjab to incite armed revolution for Indian independence. Now pronunciation of some words. First word, follows, not follows. Second word, height, not height. Today's food, that's all. I take for tomorrow leave. Stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ॐ द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ॐ शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः